So Jonas is working at getting all these, all the seam fill out. And you got started up here, it looks like. That looks good. You got to do this yet here. I don't know if you've seen that. Right here.
Oh, yeah, I did.
Get in there and get in there. You can get this out here. Will that come out anymore here?
I could try again. I was trying to get down in there as far as I could. But
yeah, just try to get it out. This is pretty good here. You got it all out of. This comes out pretty easy here.
Yeah.
Okay. Like this here.
I'm just gonna hit this up and this.
And this. Anything you see pink like that or this yellow?
Red here too?
Yeah. Yeah. Go down and hit those. Like this stuff here too. You want to get it out the best you can. Yeah, this here too. Then we're going to melt this out. This is lead.
Okay.
We'll melt this out before we spray it today too. So yeah, this is pretty close. I don't know, can you get, if you set that down, hold on that camera, can you get it in? We might have changed the see that got her down there.
Yeah.
That's good there, because that's where the three pieces meet, this one, and this one. We'll spray that with epoxy, and then we'll put seam fill over the top of everything again and fill it in. So we just want to get most of that out of there, down as deep as we can. Okay? And sometimes I use I'll use this and go down in there. Just, you can cut the metal with this, so you got to be careful. It's like sanding it, but you can grind through it. See how that does it? Gets right down in cracks. So anywhere you can't get with that brush, or that wire brush there, just use this on it. And once that goes like that, then you can take your wire brush, because you'll see little strands laying there yet. See how nice and clean that is? That's what we want. We want all that out of there. So make sure you wear your eye protection, and just be careful. You can push hard with that.
Yeah, that's.
With this,
I'm gonna try this here
hard
first before I try this.
Yeah, this will get you down in the tight grooves.
Yeah, I'll try to get everything I can with this first.
Okay.
I'll see what I have to use that yet.
Okay, we got her all cleaned up, sanded. We DA'd everything, 80 grit. Then did a lot of hand sanding around the edges. I took all the lead out. You can see that's all cleaned out now on the quarter panel, and then the A-pillar here. Cleaned it about 5 or 6 times to get it down to a clean rag when you're done. So used wax and grease remover, 3 times and then finished it with acetone. That's what Colton with Linear recommends, acetone for the final cleaner. So anyway, it's ready to spray. You can see all the areas that are going to be needing fixed. A few little holes here and there, down here. Again, this is all cleaned out. Really odd, there was a rust hole right here. I poked that out, real small. So what I do is if I find a real small pinhole, I try to poke through them or take an 1/8 inch drill bit and drill through them so that doesn't, the epoxy is going to go over that and you may not find it later. So after I epoxy it, I'll weld those shut. Again, I took this out as well. So engine bay's ready to go. We covered up the floorboards because we're going to try to retain this original paint inside here. It's just kind of cool. It's in such good shape, we're going to try to keep it. So last time to sit in bare metal. Rust holes back here. You see there's some brazing here and there that Ford did when they put it together. Down here was a small hole as well. Drilled that one out. Some stuff inside. All in all, this is a great car. It's really good shape. So time to start spraying. I've got my stuff mixed up. And I mixed this is going to be for the bottom of it. And that's about a 20% black in the gray. And that's real close to what it was before we stripped it down. Here's regular gray. So I'm going to spray regular gray on the body, all the body panels. I'm going to do the bottom with the mixture, and then I'm going to use pure black primer or epoxy primer on the engine bay in this whole area here, because that's all going to be blacked out eventually anyway. So I'll put my mask on and get ready to go here.